Welcome, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. My name is Jyoti Kokate. Today, we are going to learn subject English grammar from standard 3rd. Children, in this video, we are going to learn the topic animal homes. What do you see here? Yes, you can see here horse and the stable. You know that, children, a horse lives in a stable. Children, look at this picture. Can you tell me what does a cow give? A cow gives us milk. And where does a cow live? A cow lives in a shed. Can you tell me which animal do you see here? Yes, you can see here a pig and home of a pig. The home of a pig is called a pigsty. A pig gives us meat. Let me introduce about duck. Ducks lay eggs once a year and eating aquatic plants and tiny animals. All ducks have highly waterproof feathers. Now can you tell me where does a duck live? Yes, a duck lives in a pond. Now, let's collect some information about goat. Goats were one of the first animals to be tamed by humans. A goat gives us milk and meat. Where does a goat live? A goat lives in a pen. Children, you can see here the picture of a sheep. The sheep is kept for their wool and their meat. The wool that sheep provide is used to make clothes. Can you tell me, children, where does a sheep live? Yes, a sheep lives in a pen. Chickens provide two sources of food. Their meat, also known as chicken, and eggs, which they lay. Where does a hen live? A hen lives in a coop. The cat is a domestic animal. People keep the cat as a pet. Where does a cat live? A cat lives in a house. A bird nest is the place in which a bird lays eggs. Now tell me, children, what is a bird's home called? Yes, the bird's home is called a nest. Bees are flying insects. Children, can you tell me where does a bee live? Yes, a bee lives in a beehive. Now, let's talk about an ant. An ant is a social insect, which means they live in large colonies or groups. Now, can you tell me where does an ant live? Yes, an ant lives in an anthill. Where does a spider live? There are spiders that float on the water, such as fishing spiders. Those that live under the water, such as diving bell spiders, and even spiders that live as parasites on the webs of other spiders. Children, fish is an aquatic animal. Can you tell me where does a fish live? A fish lives in the water. Fish cannot live without water. We find variety of fish in the water. Without water, they will die. Rabbits are active animals that need space to be able to run, jump, and dig. Rabbits live in groups. A rabbit lives in burrow or rabbit hole. A group of burrows is called a warren. Den is the name given to the place where the lion lives. Lion is a wonderful creature and loves to live in groups. Monkeys are clever social animals. They are known for running and leaping through trees. So, A monkey lives on the tree. Tiger is the largest member of the cat family. A tiger lives in a den. It makes a shelter out of rocks. Mouse is a small animal. Children, can you tell me where does a mouse live? A mouse lives in the hole. Children, can you tell me where does an elephant live? Yes, an elephant lives in the forest. Bears lives in a small group. Can you tell me, children, where does a bear live? Yes, a bear lives in the cave. Let me tell you more about deer. What is a deer house called? A deer house is called grassland. Means a deer lives in the grassland. The hippopotamus is also called the hippo. A hippopotamus lives in the areas with abundant water as they spend most of their time to keep their skin cool and moist. So, the hippopotamus lives on the banks of the river. Cheetah is the fastest land animal. Where does a cheetah live? A cheetah lives in grasslands of savanna. Children, can you tell me where does a camel live? Yes, a camel lives in the desert. Now, let's talk about giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest of all land animals. Can you tell me where does a giraffe live? A giraffe lives in grasslands of savanna. You know that, children, frogs don't need to drink water as they absorb it through their skin. Children, frog lives in the pond and on dry land also. Can you tell me, children, where does a snake live? Yes, snake lives in the burrow. Children, can you tell me where does a panda live? Yes, a panda lives on bamboo tree. Children, you know that crocodile eat only meat, and where does the crocodile live? Yes, a crocodile lives in the pond. Now, let's talk about walrus. Children, can you tell me where does a walrus live? Yes, a walrus lives on the ice land. An owl is a bird. An owl hunts at night. Can you tell me where does an owl live? Yes, an owl lives on the tree. Children, now let's talk about a penguin. Penguin is a bird, but it doesn't have wings. It has flippers, and penguin lives on the ice land. Children, you know that all seals have feet shaped like fins, and a seal lives on the ice land. Children, now look at this animal. Squirrels dig holes in the ground to stay warm. And can you tell me where does a squirrel live? A squirrel lives on the tree. Children, now here you can see a polar bear. Where does a polar bear live? A polar bear lives on the ice land. Children, now it's a exercise time and you will be doing this exercise in your notebook. Cross out the odd one out. 1. Mouse live in dash. And the options are beehive, hole, cage. 2. Ants can live in dash. And the options are hole, anthill, ice. 3. Birds live in dash. And the options are ice, nest, pond. 4. Camel live in dash. And the options are desert, burrow, ice. Children, now it's a homework time and you will be doing this homework in your notebook. Fill in the blanks. 1. Cow lives in the dash. 2. Dog lives in the dash. 3. Crocodile lives in the dash. 4. An owl lives in the dash. 5. Snake lives in the dash. Thank you children for watching this video.